What happened to Zoro.to, the favorite free anime streaming site? Find out now. This is the Windows Club. Zoro.to is a free website to stream and watch anime series online. It is an illegal website that got popular amongst millions of anime lovers. It lets users download subbed or dubbed anime series in high quality without having to pay for them. It doesn't even require registration to use the service. However, Zoro.to seems to have disappeared suddenly and redirects itself to another domain. So, has it shut down or is it rebranded? As we told you earlier, Zoro.to doesn't hold rights for the anime series it offers. Now, it might have moved to a new domain because of that. Such pirate websites are known to change their domains after a while. This is because Google sends many Digital Millennium Copyright Act notices to the team, which eventually results in de-ranking the website in search results. In addition, when the pirate website gets popular, there are high chances of it getting banned or blocked. The basic GUI of the website is similar to the previous one, with only changes in color design. Also, the old users seem to log in with their previous login credentials without any issues. However, the users are still freaking out on social networking sites as to where Zoro.to go. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.